What's up, my lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shatera. Today we're here to try out these magnetic lashes from Lanciley. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright you guys, I was sent over these from Lanciley, I think that's how you pronounce it, to try on. You guys know that I do not wear lashes, so it's going to be interesting to try them on. And I'm really liking the idea behind it because it's supposed to just stick to the eyeliner. This is literally first impressions. Okay, these are really pretty. I like these a lot. And y'all, I really like my natural lash. And these are really similar to my lashes, so that's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna try to figure it out by myself. I'm gonna actually read the instructions. So right off the bat, the lashes, of course, and some tweezers. I am unsure what these three items are, so let's go ahead and read out the instructions. That bottom piece is the eyeliner. This is the magnetic eyeliner. Got it. So this one is the magnetic, and this is the regular eyeliner. I didn't even notice that before. Like, look how they're already stuck on these magnetic pieces. First magnetic lashes, they would have two magnetic strips on the ends, and this is just, I don't know exactly what's on here, but it doesn't have that. That's pretty cool. I like that so far. And look how it just sticks back to it. Okay. Which ones y'all think I should wear? I feel like it goes from least dramatic to most. I think I'm in between these two here. I think I'm gonna go for this one right here. Okay, let's read more instructions. It says activate the eyeliner. I still don't know what these are. Get out of there, girl. Get out of there. Okay. Activate the eyeliner. Gently shake the eyeliner before use. Press the button at the top of the pencil until it clicks. Okay. Make sure the button is completely pressed down. Wait up to 10 minutes until the eyeliner tip is soaked with liquid. Apply the eyeliner and make sure it's not too thin. Okay. Oh shit. Ooh. So it looks like this is what's supposed to be coming down here, but this looks like it's dried up. So I may need to, oh no, I pushed it down. So now you can see that it's coming down now. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Okay. And I tried to get as much mascara as I could off of my lashes. I actually messed up the bottom lashes. It's okay. They say don't apply it too thin, so y'all, I'm not making it too big. I'm drawing it just like, kind of trying to put it just like they have it here on the picture. So I am trying to put it above my lash line, because that's how they have it. I hate that I always do this eye. My right eye always comes out better. Okay. So it says that I need to wait 30 seconds to 1 minute. I think it's been about that.
Shut your mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up right now.
Shut up and don't say nothing else. I think I need to reapply some more in that inner corner. See, it's almost tacky, just like eyelash glue. That's so funny. Okay. So that one's on. And yeah, next time I don't think I want to put any mascara on my lashes because it's not. Girl, shut up. Yeah, I even took it out to see if it would stick back. And it did. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, like, I honestly am impressed. Like, I'm not even finna lie. Like, I'm really impressed at how easy this was to apply. I feel like they look really good on. When I took it off, it didn't really blend in the end, but I'm not about to add no more to that. Like, I am honestly surprised. Like, I'm not even finna lie. I really like that they are natural like, because I feel like even though my lashes are thin, these kind of resemble my lashes. They don't feel heavy. I don't feel weighed down. I don't feel like they're too dramatic. So what I think I'll do is I'm gonna rest on this. Again, I'm really impressed right now. I'm liking them. So I also, because people wear lashes without makeup, so I think what I'm going to do is I want to see what they look like without makeup. See if I could, you know, pull it off, just a natural look. Yeah, y'all, I am really liking these so far. I feel like I would definitely use these again. Very easy to put on. I really appreciate that. All right, y'all, I will see you all in the morning. It is the next morning. I am back, just barefaced. Just me and my skin in this lipocene. This is the pair that I had on yesterday. Let's go for this pair. Yeah, I'm so indecisive. Let's go for this pair. Yeah, I don't know why my eye been twerking all night. Like, okay. I'm going to try to apply it really thin. Pretty cute. I am honestly still impressed. I like these a lot. This is something that I can actually see myself wearing. I can't remember how much this kit is, but I mean, you can get looks for days with this, and I imagine that they last really long. It doesn't really give any care to completely recommend these. Very easy to apply, and I mean, they look pretty natural to me. I feel like very realistic, and you get some options from natural to kind of dramatic, so that's always good. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I completely recommend them. This is the Lanciley, I think I'm pronouncing it right. This is the Lanciley lashes, and again, I completely recommend them. If you want to purchase, I think you should go for it, girl, because these looking cute. These looking cute. Okay, all right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, of course, and I will see you on the next one. I'm out. Deuce. You guys, what a perfect day to try these out. It's so windy outside. Y'all see that? And these bed girls have not moved anywhere. Like, they're not going anywhere, so they're pretty sturdy. Again, it's windy outside. I'm pretty sure you can hear it. I'm pretty sure you see the trees back there, and they are not budging. So yeah, girl, get you some of these. Get you some of these. And we are cute. Hey.